Matcha, a supercharged green tea with a rich history. Grown in the shade and carefully ground into a fine powder, it's more than just a drink. It's a symbol of Japanese culture and craftsmanship, cherished for generations. Matcha's unique taste, earthy, slightly sweet, and deeply satisfying, has found its way from traditional tea ceremonies to the menus of hip cafes and high-end restaurants. Unlike regular green tea, with matcha, you consume the entire leaf, getting a concentrated burst of nutrients. This means more antioxidants, more vitamins, and a richer, fuller flavor that lingers on the palate. Imagine starting your day with a gentle lift instead of a coffee jolt. Matcha's natural caffeine is balanced by L-theanine, an amino acid that promotes calm and clarity so you feel energized but never wired. Zen Buddhist monks have used it for centuries to aid meditation, providing calm alertness. The slow, deliberate process of making matcha is as important as drinking it, fostering a sense of peace and intention. Matcha offers a natural solution to boost energy and focus without jitters. It's the perfect companion for creative work, study sessions, or simply taking a mindful break in your day. In cities like New York, dedicated matcha bars craft the perfect bowl. Here, skilled baristas whisk matcha to frothy perfection, serving it to a new generation of enthusiasts eager to experience its benefits. In Paris, patisseries infuse pastries with its earthy notes. From delicate macarons to creamy eclairs, matcha's vibrant color and flavor inspire chefs to create desserts that are as beautiful as they are delicious. Matcha is a bridge between cultures, bringing people together. Whether shared among friends or enjoyed in solitude, it sparks conversation and connection, transcending borders and backgrounds. It's a ritual, a moment of calm in a chaotic day. The simple act of whisking and sipping matcha can transform an ordinary break into a meaningful pause, grounding us in the here and now. From health enthusiasts in London to top chefs in Tokyo, matcha captivates. Its versatility means it's not just for tea. Think smoothies, energy bars, even savory dishes, all benefiting from its unique flavor and health properties. It's a powerhouse of flavor and nutrients, celebrating the Camellia sinensis plant. Every sip is a tribute to the farmers, artisans, and traditions that bring matcha from field to cup. Matcha is for everyone, from students to those practicing traditional tea ceremonies. Its appeal is universal, offering something for every taste and lifestyle. It's an experience, a green revolution in a cup, one that invites us all to slow down, savor, and celebrate the vibrant world of matcha. What is matcha? At first glance, it's a striking, almost otherworldly green powder that has captivated tea lovers and health enthusiasts around the globe. But there's so much more to this vibrant marvel than meets the eye. Matcha is a finely ground powder made from specially cultivated green tea leaves, but its story is steeped in centuries of tradition and meticulous craftsmanship. The journey of matcha begins weeks before harvest, when tea bushes are carefully shaded from sunlight. This isn't just a simple farming trick. It's a deliberate process that transforms the very chemistry of the leaves. Shading boosts chlorophyll and amino acids, giving matcha its signature vibrant color and a rich, umami-packed flavor that sets it apart from ordinary green tea. After harvesting, the leaves are quickly steamed to lock in their brilliant green hue and preserve delicate nutrients, ensuring every sip is as fresh as possible. Next, stems and veins are meticulously removed, leaving behind only the softest, most tender parts of the leaf, known as tencha, which is destined to become matcha. The tencha is then stone ground in small batches, a slow and careful process that creates an ultra-fine silky powder. This is truly a labor of love, requiring patience and skill. Unlike regular tea, where you steep and discard the leaves, with matcha you actually consume the entire leaf in powdered form, unlocking all its benefits. This means you get a much higher concentration of antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making matcha a true nutritional powerhouse. Think of it like eating a whole carrot, including the top and the peel. You're getting the full spectrum of nutrients, fiber, and flavor. Matcha packs a powerful punch, offering not just intense, earthy flavor, but also a gentle, sustained energy boost and a host of health benefits. The traditional methods used to produce matcha have been refined over generations, yielding a tea that is both an art form and a wellness ritual. From the shaded fields to the slow stone grinding, every step is designed to create a powder that's as vibrant in taste as it is in color. Matcha is, in many ways, green tea on steroids, supercharged by nature and tradition, yet completely pure and natural. It's a testament to the power of tradition, meticulous care, and the pursuit of excellence in every cup. Drinking matcha means embracing all its goodness, flavor, nutrition, and centuries of wisdom. It's a pure, powerful, and deeply satisfying experience, one that connects you to a rich heritage and a world of wellness in every sip. Matcha's remarkable journey begins in the heart of Tang Dynasty, China, over 1,000 years ago, where tea was not just a drink, but a cherished part of daily life and spiritual practice. During this era, powdered tea was highly valued, prepared with care and enjoyed by scholars, monks, and nobility alike, symbolizing refinement and tranquility. The story takes a pivotal turn when Japanese monk Myoan Eisai brought this tradition to Japan, weaving it into the fabric of Zen Buddhist rituals and meditation. Eisai's influential book, Kissa Yojoki, praised tea's health benefits and helped popularize matcha among the samurai class and Japanese aristocracy, making it a symbol of status and well-being. Over centuries, the Japanese elevated matcha preparation into the elegant art of the tea ceremony, a ritual that celebrates harmony, respect, purity, and mindfulness in every gesture. Matcha became deeply woven into Japanese culture, not just as a drink, but as a spiritual practice that connects people to nature and to each other. In the late 20th century, matcha's vibrant green hue and unique taste began to capture the world's attention, as people everywhere discovered its rich flavor and impressive health benefits. Its striking color and photogenic appeal quickly made it a sensation on social media, inspiring a new generation of tea lovers and food enthusiasts. Today, matcha lattes, cakes, and chocolates reimagine this ancient drink, blending tradition with innovation in cafes and bakeries around the globe. Matcha's journey is a fusion of history and modernity, bringing centuries-old Zen wisdom and ritual into the heart of contemporary cafes where people gather to savor its taste and spirit. Matcha's popularity is driven by its health benefits, backed by science. It's packed with antioxidants, particularly EGCG, fighting free radicals. Matcha contains L-theanine, promoting relaxation without drowsiness. Combined with caffeine, it offers calm alertness, enhancing cognitive functions. Matcha boosts metabolism, aiding calorie burning and fat oxidation. It's a natural way to support energy-burning processes. Catechins in matcha benefit heart health, lowering LDL cholesterol. Matcha contributes to a heart-healthy diet, supporting long-term well-being. Matcha's versatility extends beyond the teacup. The matcha latte, a creamy staple, softens its grassy notes with sweetness. In baking, matcha's vibrant color and complex flavor enhance desserts. It pairs beautifully with white chocolate. It pairs beautifully with raspberry. It pairs beautifully with citrus. Matcha's umami quality shines in savory dishes, from seasoning salts to vinaigrettes. Refreshing cold drinks and breakfast bowls showcase matcha's adaptability. Matcha's culinary versatility secures its place in global food culture. Navigating matcha involves understanding ceremonial and culinary grades. Ceremonial grade, the highest quality, is for traditional drinking. Culinary grade suits lattes, smoothies, and desserts. Look for vibrant green color and Japanese origin for quality. Store matcha in an airtight, opaque container in a cool, dark place. Consume within weeks for the best flavor. Proper storage preserves matcha's freshness and quality. Treat your matcha with care for vibrant, delicious creations. Why is matcha the it drink now? It's a wellness age, seeking superfoods. Matcha offers health benefits and an energy boost without coffee's side effects. Its vibrant green color is a social media sensation. Matcha's unique taste and rich history appeal to adventurous palates. It offers a moment of peace in chaotic lives. Matcha's duality, ancient and modern, calming and energizing, drives its success. It's a trend with substance, rooted in tradition and backed by science. Matcha is a green revolution here to stay. We hope you enjoyed our video on matcha. Like, share and subscribe for more foodie facts and for some matcha-infused recipes. Thanks for watching.